Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a home decor haul. But this time, I'm going to show you guys what I got for my patio. As you all know, and I mentioned like 4 times already or more of my videos, I finally got the patio set that I wanted, and it's looking fabulous. Everything is almost set up, which I thought it was going to be set up by Friday, last Friday. But my gardener friend didn't come until Saturday, so it took a little while, but I'm so ready to show you guys what I got for the patio. I'm excited. It's gonna look so pretty and I can't wait to show you. So anyways, let's get started with this, guys. As you guys all know, I love flowers, and especially white ones. So I saw these ones at HomeGoods and I grabbed them. They're so pretty. They look very realistic, as you guys can see. And I'm planning on using this for probably the center of the table. I have to get a base. Look how realistic they look. Even the thorns right there, they're so nice. So yeah, I got these ones, and I believe for this 3 I paid $19.99. So it was a little pricey, but there's definitely quality. Next item, it is this beautiful wreath. I did purchase this at HomeGoods. The price for this was 40 bucks. As you guys can see it. I saw some really pretty ones at Pier 1, but they were so expensive. They were like 120. Pier 1 and also Wayfair. I think that's where I saw them. And I was like, oh my god, I really like them, but they're too pricey. So the other day I went with Leo, and we saw this, and I was like, oh my god, this is definitely for me. The style is perfect. It's really pretty, and I think it's nice for the price. It's pretty big. I think it's like 25 or 26 inches. And I'm going to be putting this on my front door. Since now it's pretty outside, I am excited to be putting it there. I always wanted a wreath, and I'm so excited that I finally got one. It's really nice whenever I get things that I wanted for the longest, and I'm like, oh my god, it's kind of like my dream coming true. It sounds so cheesy and corny, but it's something that I really wanted, and I mean, maybe to you guys it's not a big deal, but for me it is. It's kind of like when I was little, I always wanted a red door, right? Like if I had a house, I want it to be red. I don't have a red door. But the day that I do have a red door, I'm going to be super happy, because it's one of those little dreams as a little girl that you have, and when you accomplish it, or when it gets there, you're happy. You guys get what I'm trying to say? But anyways, let's move on. Alright, you guys, the next item that I got, I did see it on one of my good friends from YouTube. Her name is TheGlamorousQueen 1. I will put a link down below to her channel if you guys want to follow her. She's amazing. She does the most, oh my god, the most addicting shop with me videos ever. She goes to HomeGoods. She lives in Texas. So yeah, anyways, I saw this on her story once. It's not the same, but when I found this one, I was like, oh my god, it's similar to the ones that she has, but it's not the same. But I'll take them. But anyways, you guys are like, okay, what are you talking about, Leslie? I'm talking about this placemats. Look how stunning they are. I only found 4 of them. I couldn't find, I need 6, so I need 2 more. But this is how they look like, and this is the pattern. I'm going to do a close-up. Look at how stunning these placemats are. I know she did purchase hers for $7.99, but I was not that lucky. Mine were $9.99. So yeah, and they do have a strong scent, like plastic, but I don't mind it at all. And I'm planning on using this, I don't know, maybe for the dining table inside. I'm not sure, I'm debating. But it kind of matches with the tablecloth that I got for the inside of my house, which I can show you guys right now. This is the table mat that I got. Oh, table mat. This is the tablecloth that I got, you guys. And I think it's going to look really pretty with this. And also, this is something I didn't show you guys on the other haul, but I'm going to show you real quick. Oh. Don't fall and break, don't fall and break. Okay, last night I was organizing this room because right now it's pretty messy. And I had this really cute little jars. I'll show you. Anyways, I ended up breaking one of them, and it was 10 bucks. And I was like, oh my god, why didn't I pay attention? Too bad, so sad. I only have one now, but it is what it is. Whatever. Anyways, I also got this base, this flower base from HomeGoods, and they're really pretty in pink. And the price for this was only $22. So if we put all this together, it's gonna look so nice. And since spring is already here and Easter is next Sunday, I'm gonna have this set up by then. Yeah, so this is what I got, you guys, and I got 4 of them, which is really pretty, and I'm still on the hunt for 2 more. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking until I find them, because they're just so fabulous. Look at that, you guys. It's like sparkles. I'm probably not gonna let anyone eat on top of this. It's just gonna be for decor. Yeah. I'm weird like that. Next item that I got is this cute little vase. I mean, I'm gonna plant flowers there, and one says plant, grow, and then the other one says bloom. And the price for this was only $20 from Marshall's. This is so adorable. I've seen many of my friends on Instagram having them in their kitchen, and they look so pretty. At first I was gonna put some, what's it called, fake plants, but I'm not. I'm actually gonna put real ones. I'm gonna give it a try. I was gonna put some fake plants in here, but I'm actually not. I'm gonna just put real ones, and I'll try to put this outside. I don't know, I'll play around with it and see what I think, but I think in the kitchen it would look really nice, like right by the sink. That's just my idea, what I'm picturing in my head. I also got this pretty cups that says Mr. and Mrs. So one is for my husband and one's for me. The price for this was $5.99 each, and they are from Marshall's. I hope you guys can see the price. I just thought they were really cute, and I did get some cups that says Mr. and Mrs. on my previous haul, but I needed cups, like actual mugs instead of cups. The ones that I have, the other ones were made out of glass. The ones that I showed you guys on my previous video, Mr. and Mrs. And this one's worth $7. So not bad. Not bad, not bad. But I just thought this would be really pretty. And I can definitely see myself having breakfast outside with my orange juice, and I don't drink coffee, but my orange juice or water. It was just, and then, ooh, this basket smells so good. And I also got this basket, you guys. It matches my patio decor, and the price for this was $16.99. So this brand, they do a lot of patio furniture, and I have seen it all the time at HomeGoods, Marshall's, and Tjmaxx. And yeah, so I saw it and I liked the quality of it. I love the color. And I'm planning on putting like a blanket here, an extra pillow. It's just so that if people get cold, they can always just grab it and just put it on. I do want to find some lanterns. I haven't found the ones that I'm looking for, but I'm still hunting. I also have this kind of like a small area that I'm going to use as a little... because I did get the patio set. The patio set is for, it's like a dining set. But there is also like a little lounge that I have. And I needed new pillows. So I got these pillows from Burlington. And the price for this was only $11.99. And this is how they look like. The bottom. And then I also got the little pillow, which I believe for the pillow I paid $6.99. So I'm planning on using this too. And of course I did get 2 of them. And they're just going to be really cute. I love the blue and the yellow. It's just so nice. It's going to be very vibrant. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you guys 2 more items and we'll be done with this haul. I'm trying to speed it up as much as I can. Okay, so this right here, it is from Pier 1. This was a little bit more pricey. Each of these wreaths were $60. And this is how they look like. So it's 2 of them, as you can see. 2, and I did order them online because that's where they only had them. And this is how they look like. So they're pretty big. I got them a while back, and this is how they look like. They come with white flowers. It's really, really pretty. I did get 2 of them. I will try to figure out where I'm gonna place them. I was thinking outside. I also did get some plants from Amazon that were fake because I had real palm trees, but they died on me, so I had to get rid of them because they were just not gonna work out for me. It's kind of hard to take care of plants, you guys. I'm not ready. I'm not at that stage where I'm ready to do the gardening and all that stuff. I'm way too busy with the kiddos that it's just not gonna happen. But anyways, so yeah, I got this fake wreath, and it's just really pretty. I love the quality. It's so, so nice. And the flowers, of course. You guys know how much I love white flowers. Alright, you guys, I think that is it for my patio. Now I'm going to show you guys one more item that I got off Amazon. And this item I think is really special, and I'm so excited to show you. So I'm just going to show you. Is my last item. Voila! If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen it on my story. But it's so cute. It is a letterboard. I think that's what they're called. And I got it off Amazon. The price for this was only $29.99. And it comes with a bunch of letters, you guys. Like tons of letters. So this is how it looks like. They have it in white. They have it in black. They have all different colors. But this is the one that I liked the most. Just because it was really soft and pretty. But I'm going to add another picture so that you guys can see the other option that they also had. They also had gray, I believe. I did get it this color just because I was planning on putting it in Rosa's room so that she can write little cute notes. But also, I have a surprise. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for one of these, and I'm going to insert some pictures right now. So you guys let me know down below which of the styles you would like to win. Just comment down below what was your favorite item, and also the color that you would like to win this board, letterboard. All the rules are going to be on the description box, but I'm going to give you guys a couple days to enter, and I'm very excited. I wanted to give you guys something, but I was like, I'm not sure what I should give them. So my mom came in this morning, and she saw it, and she's like, oh my god, I like it so much, I want one of those. And then I was like, I should do a giveaway. And as you can see right there, I did put Rosa, Diego, Leo, and Baby, so and their ages. I just thought it was really cute. I did take some maternity pictures today, and we used this. Well, it was more like a maternity, Easter, family pictures, and I used this board, and I thought it was really cute. And then I also thought I can do my announcement when I have my baby, if it's a boy or a girl. I'm going to do it on this board. But yeah, so comment down below what is it that you enjoy the most on this haul. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item, what you enjoy most about the haul. And also, if you do want to enter the giveaway, just type in what color letterboard you would like to win. But yeah. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to enter this giveaway. And also, don't forget, I will be doing a big giveaway. I'm just looking for something special to get for you guys. Since we did hit 15,000 subscribers, I want to show you guys that I cared, and I'm very thankful for you guys. So I will be looking for something special, and as soon as I have it, I will definitely do the giveaway. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to enter for this beautiful board, which is so cute. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!